Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some grammar on active voice and passive voice. Published by BSc Board Orissa under the patronage of Orissa School and Mass Education. So you know active voice means कर्तृवाच्य and passive voice means कर्मवाच्य. जदि गोटे वाक्य कर्तार आरंभ होता है कर्ता मैंने केमी जान सी गोटे लिविंग बीइंग हो कि निजे कम कर आम वाक्यर क्रिया को पचार किए करुच्ची किए खाऊँ क्रिया को किए लगे प्रश्न कले जी उत्तर आसो सेटा हूँ कर्ता. गुड अंडरस्टैंड. तो कर्ता मीन्स सब्जेक्ट. व्हेन वी आस्क the verb by using who, the answer we get is called the subject. Could understand? Or we can say subject means the doer, je karuchi, karta. So if a sentence begins with a subject, that is called active voice. If a sentence begins with the object, karma jodi arambh hoita hai, that is karma vachya. Or in English that is passive voice. Could understand? There are two types of sentence. One is active voice, another is passive voice. Could understand? Active voice means कर्तृवाच्य and passive voice means कर्मवाच्य. Could understand? Now let's move to the topic Parikha Darpana. The name of the book is Parikha Darpana. Could understand? Active voice and passive voice, कर्तृवाच्य or कर्मवाच्य. If a sentence begins with a subject, that is active voice. And if a sentence begins with an object, it is called passive voice. A verb has 6 forms. प्रत्येक क्रियार 6टी रूप थाए. ए verb has 6 forms. For example, eat has 6 forms. Eat, eats, both are same. Eat plural, eats what singular. I have told you, if we add s to a verb, it becomes singular. Could understand or not? Remember, I have told you. So Eat has 6 forms. Eat, eats, one form. Ate, past tense, number 2. Eaten, 3. Eating, 4. To eat and eat. So तमर केबे भी आइडिया होनी जे हमर इरेजी रे जदि पास हमर इन इंग्लिश देयर आर टू टेंसेस. One is present tense, another is past tense. So we know past participle. तम मन प्रश्न you think don't any question arise in your mind तम मन उठुनि कि whether there is a present participle or not. Present participle अच्छी कि नहीं. If there is a past participle, is not there any present participle? Yes, there is a present participle and the ing form is called present participle. Could understand? So present tense, past tense, past participle, present participle, to be and to form and bare infinite. Could understand? Each and every verb has 6 forms. Similarly, be verb. The present tense of be verb are is, mr. Could understand? Past tense of be, past tense of be are was, were, and its en form is been, past participle form. Present participle form is being and to be. Could understand? Every verb has its 6 forms and they are in active forms. These are called active forms. Similarly, every verb has its 6 passive forms. So first one is, so a verb has 6 forms. For example, eat, ate, eaten, eating, to eat, eat. These are active voice forms. their passive voice forms are is eaten, was were eaten, been eaten, being eaten, eaten. Being eaten, right? Eaten, to be eaten, and the last one is be eaten. To be eaten and be eaten, separate thing. So next rule is, ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ while we are going to change active voice into passive voice, we follow some rules. ଆମେ କର୍ତ୍ତୃବାଚ୍ୟକୁ କର୍ମବାଚ୍ୟ କଲାବେଳୁ ଆମେ କିଛି ନିୟମକୁ ପାଳନ କରୁଛେ. What are they? First, number one is we will make the main verb its en form or third form. First, प्रथमे आमे जो भर्बटा मेन भर्बटा देइछि ताको en फॉर्म करिबा. What shall we do? We will make it, we will use its en form, or that is called past participle form, or that is called third form. Could understand or not? तो en form करिबा ता माने आमे एमिति बुझिबा दरकार. हमर ओडिया रे बुझिला भली eat, ate, eaten, eating, to eat, 6 forms. So eat is present tense pinchi, ate past tense pinchi, eaten en tense pinchi, eating ing tense pinchi. Next one is to eat, two tense pinchi, eat only eat kichu pindini. Could understand? What did I say? Eat having with the present tense, ate having with the past tense, en put on en days, ing eating has put on ing days en days, sorry, eaten has put on en days, eating has put on ing days, to eat has put on what, 2 days, and only eaten has put on no dress. Could understand? ता माने आमे प्रति क्षेत्र in each and every case while doing while changing active voice into passive voice, we must make the main verb en form, third form, or past participle form. Could understand? जदि if it is so, से जो ड्रेसटा पिंधिथिला ताको बाहर करिया देने en ड्रेस पिंधेबा, right or wrong? जहाँ पिंधिथिला बाहर करिया, we will remove the dress, the verb is put on, and put on another new dress to the verb. ताको en dress पिंधेबा, जहाँ पिंधिछि बाहर करिबा ताको सब क्षेत्र en dress पिंधे. फर्स्ट रूल. हेले जो ड्रेसटा बाहर कले where shall we keep it? Shall we throw it, फिंगी देबा कि, और shall we keep it? तमे ड्रेस पिंधछ बाहर कले फिंगी दउछ कि, do you throw it or keep it on a hanger? hanger रखुछ कि नहीं? सेमिति से भर्बटा जो ड्रेसटा पिंधिछि ताको बाहर करबा आनिकरी हैंगर रखि देबा. we shall keep it on the hanger. So in that case hanger is be. ए क्षेत्र रे हैंगरटा कोडा जानछो? डू यू नो व्हिच इज द हैंगर? बी भर्ब इज द हैंगर. ना बुझि पाछो? ईट रे इज, ईट रे प्रेजेंट टेंस अछि ताको बाहर करबा आनिकरी बी रे रखिदा. बी रो प्रेजेंट टेंस इज एमआर. कुड अंडरस्टैंड? सेइतरे रख तापर en करदा इटेन हे जो. सिमिलरली एट डी बाहर कर देबा, बी रे रखि देबा, वाज वेरे हे जिवो, तापर इटेन कर देबा. सिमिलरली en डारु en काटि देबा. से ड्रेस पिंधिछि en, आउ एडी en पिंधेबा. सो en डा बाहर करी बी रे रखिदा, बी नै गेला, पुनी आउतरी en लगे देले, बी नै गेला. सिमिलरली बीइंग रे ing ड्रेस पिंधिछि ताको बाहर रिमूव इट एंड कीप इट इन द हैंगर, दैट इज बीइंग. तापर ताको en कर दियो. टू बी रे कोन कराई? सिमिलरली टू पर बी रे किछि पिंदिनी, ताको हैंगर रखियानी, जस्ट हैंगर टा रखि दियो. हैंगर टा जे बी, टू बी, टू बी. नेक्स्ट वन इज ओनली इट, देयर इज नो, इट इज हैविंग नो ड्रेस, सो वी विल नॉट रिमूव एनीथिंग, सो जस्ट हैंगर बी विल रिमेन. बी आगे रहइबो. कुड अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ लेट्स मूव. Active voice, passive voice. Subject will go to, what did I say? While doing while changing active voice into passive voice, we will follow these rules. A. Subject will go to the object place with the by and object will come to subject place. Next, 3. Main verb will be en form. Do will become am or are. Does will become is. Did will become was, were. So now let's do it. Eat. These are the eat, eats, ate, eaten, eating, to be, eat. These are active voice forms and their passive voice forms are am, are eaten, is eaten, was eaten, been eaten, being eaten, to be eaten, be eaten. Good understand? এটা আমি কোন করছে ইট ইট এটি কোন ড্রেস পিনছি না প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স পিনছি সো আইরু ড্রেসটা বাহার করিয়া এটা হচ্ছে বিটা এটা হ্যাঙ্গারে এইটা আমি যোড়ি দেবা প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সটা যোড়ি দেবা ইজ ওল্ড হইଯିବ হোয়াট এম অর আর হইଯିବ ଇଟ୍ସରେ ଡଜ୍ ଅଛି ଇଟ୍ସରେ ଡଜ୍ ଅଛି ସିଏ ବାହାରିବ ବିରେ ଯାଇକିରି ମିଶିଯିବ ଡଜ୍ ଏଇଟା ଡୁ ମିଶିଗଲା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ଇଏରେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ହେଇଯିବ ସିମିଲାରଲି ଏଟ୍ରେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଡିଡ୍ ଅଛି ସିଏ ଯାଇକିରି ମିଶିଯିବ କେଉଁଥିରେ ବିର ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ହେଲା ୱାଜ୍ ୱେର୍ ହେଇଯିବ ସବୁ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଇଏନ୍ ଲାଗିବ in each case we will use en to the main verb. Next one is eaten eaten तो बाहर करदेवा यहाँ en टा नहीं बी रे जो करदे बी नहीं जो तो ये क्षेत्र आउे इटेन हो बीन इटेन सिमिलारली इटिंग ing बाहर करदेवा बी रे रखिदेवा बींग हो बींग इटेन हम टू बी रे कौन हम जेहेतु टू बी एइथरे किछि ड्रेस पिंधिनी आमे किछि बाहर करियानी केवल हेंगेटा गाजिम सिंध रहिबो टू बी टेन हबो मेन वर्ब फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपल हे जो देन ईट 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 किछि नाइ तो आमे किछि पिंधिबानी जस्ट हेंगेटा रहिबो ये एन फॉर्म हे जो सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन सप्लाई द करेक्ट पैसिव फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट so a tiger cub days in bracket there is a verb that is see a tiger cub see in the nearby forest yesterday means past tense so was seen a tiger singular so was seen is correct which is correct number c is correct right who was seen this is a passive form of see past passive form 2. Which of the following say is grammatically acceptable? Cricket was played in our school every day. Cricket is played in our school every day. We are played cricket in our school every day. Cricket played in our school every day. So right answer is cricket is played. This is habitual fact. So in present tense. So cricket is played in our school. B is correct. Number 2 B is correct right okay next one is put the verb in the bracket in the correct form he should punish for telling lies he should punish should it अछि should it tense रही गलाने punish तारे tense फंस किछि नाइ एटा en form करियो first punished it's punish punished third verb punished so en form so he should hanger रहिबो punish रे जेहेतु किछि लागिनी बी रे भी किछि लागिनी जस्ट बी डाग रहि जो हैंगेटा खाली पड़ी रहियो जेहेतु सेटे नाही ना किछि बी should be punished ed could understand the right answer he should be punished for telling lies could understand so he should be right answer is should be he should be punished for telling lies next one is number which is correct tell me see 3 number B is correct next one is right choose the correct passive form of the sentence so why did he hit his servant so why here mark amar kon कहिछि ना subject देखिया पड़ियो subject is he and his servant This is object. Object will come to first position. His servant. Servant. Why? Why did will become was? Why was his servant hit by him? He will become by him. Why his servant? No. Why was his servant beaten? So right answer is C. Number 4 is C. Could understand?
Yes.
ଆମର pattern କହିଲା ଯେ active voice pattern କହିଲା WH word helping verb subject could understand MV plus object ये जगह आम WH word रखा WH word did will become what was or where was were where subject is his servant next one helping verb why was his servant beaten why did he beat this is not beat this is heat not heat that is beat could understand okay so right answer is why his servant was beaten B why his servant was beaten why was his servant number C is correct right
Yes.
yes next one is choose the correct passive form of the following sentence you are not to blame so here correct form is you are not to be blamed here main verb is blame could understand here main verb is blamed its third form is blamed so to be blamed not to be blamed is correct so you are not to be blamed that is correct number 5 B
Yes.
next one is selective correct passive form of the sentence the teacher made Ramo stand up Ramo was made stand up Ramo was made to stand up so the teacher made Ramo to stand up could understand so right answer is 6 number 6 is correct number 6 C is correct right see Ramo was made to stand up right next one is 7 which of the following is in correct passive form there is a work to do it is not there is a work to be done here it is in passive voice to be done is a work is to be done there no it is not the construction is right the order of the words in the sentence is not in the proper right form the work is to be done there no it is also not right answer is B 7B right 7B next one is the road days last year means past tense so repaid has present tense wrong repaid it is active voice form wrong was repaid is the correct 7 8 C could understand 8 C 8 C next one is 9 the results of HSC examination days next month 1 minute So number 9 that is will be published. Will be published. Prakashita haba will be published next month. Next one is what? The passive app. People say that elephants are very obedient. Is just 1 minute. This is the sentence. The people say that elephants are very obedient. This is the sentence. Could understand? So subject is people say that. People say that this is elephants are very obedient. So it is said that habo. All people say that elephants were no. Elephants are obedient is said by the people. Next one is it is said that elephants are. This is are. This is are obedient. So number 10 is equal to C. Could understand? Number C. କେମିତି ନା ମନେ ରଖିଥିବ ଯଦି ଏଠି ଦେଖ look at the blackboard. People say that elephants are very obedient. It is said that this is the so people say ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଭର୍ବଟା ମେନ୍ ଭର୍ବ ସେ ହେଉଛି ମେନ୍ ଭର୍ବ could understand object position ରେ that clause ଅଛି that clause ଟାକୁ ଆଗକୁ ନେଇକିରି ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ରଖିପାରିବା ତ that clause ଥିବା ଯୋଗୁଁ ତା ବଦଳରେ ଆମେ it ନେଇଯିବା this people say it instead of that clause we wrote it next ଏଇଟାକୁ ଆମେ କରିବା it is said ତାପରେ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ରଖିବା it is said elephants are very obedient people say that will remain omitted so right answer or we can say like this object position ରହିଲା object will come to the that elephants object came elephants that elephants are very obedient okay obedient is said by people this is also correct but that one is acceptable okay now let's move number 11 change the following sentence into passive form the students selected Rakesh their monitor of the class so Rakesh is student selected Rakesh their monitor of the Rakesh who selected whom student selected Rakesh so Rakesh was selected past tense so right answer is D what did I say right answer is D which number this is number 11 number 11 D right answer is D next one is fill in the blank with the correct form of the verb. What can be cured must be endured. Number B is correct.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Number 13. People dash justice didi dash. People are denied. Justice denied. Number D. 13 number D. Next one is why was this child yesterday? Why was the child just 1 minute death yesterday? Yes, why was the child days yesterday? Beat has been beaten has the present tense. It is wrong. Beaten. Yes, why was the child beaten? Correct for one is C. 14 number C.
Yes.
Right. 14 number C. Yes. Next one is the Gitanjali Days by R.N. Thakur was written. Was written. 15 number D. ଲେଖା ଯାଇଥିଲା. Next one is the passive of did the hunter kill the bird yesterday? Yes, no question. Could understand. So did will become was the bird killed yesterday? Yes. Number A is correct.
Yes.
Number A is correct. Right? Keମିତି number A is correct. So this will become was. Okay. Hunter will go to bird's place and the bird will come to hunter's place. Then it will become killed. The right hand was the bird killed yesterday. Right? Next one is had the bird will killed yesterday? No, this is not. 17. Cheese days from milk is made. Cheese is made. Tiyar hoji is made. Next one is the letter a week ago and it reached me yesterday. The letter here, this is the letter. Wait, this. The letter ago was posted. Has been present tense incorrect. Was posted. Had been posted. So was posted is correct. 18 is C. Had been posted. I had been posted. ହେଇଥିଲା. এটা nearest past, distance past. It is related to nearest past and distance past because the two actions take place in the past. So next one is 19. Mistakes days in the totaling of marks. So 19, that is B is were made. Mistakes were made in the totaling of marks. Number, this is not correct. Wrongly. Okay. This one. 19B. Correct. Next one is change the following sentence into passive form. The court at last granted bail to the criminal. The criminal was granted bail. Number 1 is correct. A is correct, right? Thank you. A. Yes. With this, that is the end of today's grammar class. We shall discuss the other grammar points in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.